He was not born into power, he was born into poverty. He did not ride cars, he served tea at a railway station. But he had a dream, to serve India. This is the true story of a boy who rose from nothing to lead 1.4 billion people. This is the journey of Narendra Modi, a name that changed India forever. Let's begin. Narendra Modi was born on September 17, 1950, in a small town named Vadnagar in Gujarat, India. His family was poor. They had very little money. His father, Damodardas Modi, sold tea at the local railway station. His mother, Hiraben, worked hard at home. They lived in a small, simple house. The family had 6 children. Narendra was the 3rd child. As a boy, Narendra helped his father sell tea. He would carry tea to passengers at the station. He would wash the cups and glasses. He did this after school. He worked very hard even though he was young. His parents were strict but caring. They taught him to always work hard. Narendra studied at a small school in Vadnagar. He liked school. He was good at reading and writing. He was a quiet boy but always curious. He liked to ask questions. He was interested in many subjects. He loved reading books. His teachers liked him because he was always eager to learn. He also enjoyed acting and took part in school plays. He liked being on stage and speaking to people. He was very interested in politics even when he was a child. He would often talk about the leaders of India and the world. When he was young, Modi had a dream. He wanted to help people and serve his country. His family did not have much money, but they had a lot of love. Modi learned the importance of hard work and service. He also learned to respect people, no matter who they were. He knew that if he worked hard, he could make a difference in the world. When Modi was a teenager, he joined the RSS, Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh, a Hindu nationalist organization. The RSS is a group that teaches discipline, unity, and service to the country. Modi learned a lot from the RSS. He learned to organize events, give speeches, and work with people. The RSS taught him the importance of honesty, discipline, and hard work. In his early years in the RSS, Modi worked in many places across India. He visited villages and cities, meeting people, listening to their problems, and helping them. He worked on many social projects, cleaning streets, helping poor families, and building schools. He did not ask for any money or reward for his work. He wanted to serve people without expecting anything in return. Modi also started working on his physical fitness. He did yoga and kept his body strong. He believed that a healthy body and mind were important for success in life. He also learned to live simply. He did not wear expensive clothes or use luxury items. He believed in leading by example. He was always calm and focused on his work. In his early days, Modi had very few possessions. He had no car, no money, and no special status. But he was determined to make a difference. He knew that if he worked hard and stayed true to his beliefs, he would one day be able to help the country. In the 1980s, the RSS sent Narendra Modi to work with the BJP, Bharatiya Janata Party, a political party in India. Modi became a member of the BJP and began working on the party's campaigns. He traveled across India, meeting people, organizing events, and spreading the party's message. He worked very hard, often in difficult conditions. He helped the BJP win several elections. In 2001, Gujarat faced a major disaster, a terrible earthquake. Thousands of people were killed, and many homes and buildings were destroyed. The situation was very difficult. The people of Gujarat needed help. Modi was appointed as the Chief Minister of Gujarat at that time. It was a big responsibility, and Modi worked very hard to rebuild the state. Modi focused on providing food, shelter, and medical care for the people affected by the earthquake. He worked day and night to rebuild homes and infrastructure. He ensured that people had the resources they needed to recover from the disaster. He made sure that schools and hospitals were rebuilt quickly. His efforts helped the people of Gujarat recover from the terrible event. During his time as Chief Minister of Gujarat, Narendra Modi worked hard to improve the state. He focused on economic growth and development. He built new roads, bridges, and factories. He improved the electricity supply and water systems. He helped farmers by providing them with better seeds and equipment. One of the major achievements of Modi's time as Chief Minister was the development of Gujarat's infrastructure. He built modern cities with world-class roads and buildings. He brought new industries to Gujarat, creating jobs for thousands of people. He helped make Gujarat one of the most industrialized states in India. Modi also worked on education and health care in Gujarat. He built new schools, hospitals, and clinics. He focused on providing quality education to children in rural areas. He also improved health care by building better hospitals and providing free medicines to poor people. Under his leadership, Gujarat's economy grew rapidly, and the state became one of the richest in India. While Modi's leadership in Gujarat brought many positive changes, there were also challenges. In 2002, there were riots in Gujarat. Many people were killed, and many others lost their homes. The riots were very violent, and the situation was very bad. Some people blamed Modi for not stopping the violence. However, Modi supporters said that he had done everything he could to control the situation. The courts later cleared Modi of any wrongdoing, but the riots became a big controversy. Despite the challenges, Modi continued to focus on the development of Gujarat. He did not let the criticism stop him. He believed that his focus on the welfare of the people would bring better results in the long run. In the 2010s, Narendra Modi became more and more popular across India. He had done a lot of work in Gujarat, and people noticed his achievements. He became a strong leader who was known for his work ethic and determination. In 2013, the BJP chose Modi to be their candidate for Prime Minister in the upcoming general elections. Modi started campaigning across India. He held big rallies, and people came in large numbers to listen to him. His speeches were powerful and full of hope. He promised to make India a stronger, cleaner, and more prosperous nation. His slogan "Ek din ain wale hain," "Good days are coming," became very popular. People believed in him and his vision for India's future. In May 2014, the BJP won the general elections by a big margin. Modi became the Prime Minister of India. This was a huge moment in his life. The son of a tea seller had become the leader of the world's largest democracy. It was a dream come true for Modi, and he knew that he had a big responsibility ahead of him. As Prime Minister, Narendra Modi started working on many important issues. One of the first things he did was launch the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, Clean India mission. He wanted to make India a cleaner country by encouraging people to keep their surroundings clean and build toilets for everyone. This was a big task because many people in India did not have access to clean toilets. But Modi took the challenge and worked hard to achieve his goal. Under his leadership, millions of toilets were built across India. Modi also launched the Make in India campaign. He wanted to encourage manufacturing in India and create jobs for the people. He focused on improving India's economy by building infrastructure, improving the business environment, and making India an attractive place for foreign investment. Another important initiative was Digital India. Modi wanted to bring technology to the people, especially in rural areas. He wanted everyone to have access to the internet and use technology in their daily lives. This was a big step towards modernizing India and connecting people across the country. Modi also worked on improving relations with other countries. He visited many nations, including the United States, Japan, and Australia. He met with world leaders and discussed ways to improve India's global position. Modi's leadership made India a stronger voice on the world stage. Modi made some bold decisions during his time as Prime Minister. One of the most controversial was demonetization in 2016. Modi announced that high-value currency notes, 500 and 1,000 rupee notes, would no longer be valid. People were shocked by this decision. Many faced difficulties, standing in long lines at banks to exchange their old money. Modi said that the goal was to fight corruption and black money. Some people supported him, while others criticized the move. In 2019, Modi took another bold step. He revoked Article 370 in Jammu and Kashmir, removing the special status given to the region. This decision was controversial and led to protests. However, Modi argued that it was necessary for the development and integration of Jammu and Kashmir with the rest of India. In 2019, Modi was re-elected as Prime Minister of India with a bigger mandate. His second term was marked by further economic reforms and the continued development of India. He worked on improving health care, education, and infrastructure. He also focused on national security, strengthening India's defense forces and improving relations with neighboring countries. Modi continued to push for reforms in agriculture and labor laws, aiming to make India a more self-sufficient and self-reliant country. His government also focused on addressing issues like poverty, unemployment, and corruption. In 2020, the world faced a global pandemic due to the COVID-19 virus. Modi acted quickly to protect India. He announced a lockdown to limit the spread of the virus. He also started a vaccine distribution program, ensuring that millions of people received vaccines free of charge. Modi continued to lead India through the crisis, providing food, medical supplies, and financial support to those in need. His leadership during the pandemic earned praise, though challenges remained in managing the huge population. Today, Narendra Modi is one of India's most famous leaders. His journey from a poor tea seller to the Prime Minister is an inspiring story. He has changed India in many ways, with his focus on development, national security, and global relations. Whether people love him or criticize him, they cannot deny that he has made a huge impact on the country. Modi's story is one of determination, hard work, and service. He has shown that with dedication and vision, even the most humble person can achieve great things. His leadership continues to shape the future of India. From a small tea shop to the highest office in India, Modi's story proves it's not where you start, it's how hard you work. He walked on a tough path, but never gave up. Today, his life inspires millions to dream big and rise higher. If you believe hard work changes lives, like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe for more inspiring stories. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.